Ever wondered if the person you're watching on screen is real or a digital doppelganger? Well, welcome to the age of deepfake videos, where artificial intelligence meets visual deception. Born from the fusion of deep learning and fake, deepfakes have emerged as a formidable force in the digital landscape. These are not your run-of-the-mill video manipulations. Deepfakes use algorithms that can learn and mimic human expressions, gestures, and even voices with unnerving accuracy. They're the brainchildren of cutting-edge technology, where machine learning is employed to teach computers how to superimpose existing images and videos onto source materials. As we navigate the digital age, the prevalence of these deepfake videos is on the rise, infiltrating our news, social media, and even our entertainment. It's a new reality where seeing is no longer believing. Deepfake videos, a fascinating yet unnerving leap in technology, have transformed our perception of reality. But what does this mean for us? This is the question we'll explore as we dive deeper into this intriguing yet alarming phenomenon. Deepfake videos have the power to amuse, astonish, and deceive. But at what cost? On one hand, deepfakes hold a lot of promise. They can be used to create engaging content for entertainment and educational purposes. Imagine a history lesson where Abraham Lincoln himself walks you through the Civil War, or a science class taught by Albert Einstein. In the world of research, deepfakes can be invaluable tools for studying human behavior, expressions, and communication. However, the coin does flip. Deepfakes also have a darker side. They can be misused to create convincing but entirely false narratives, leading to deception and the spread of misinformation. They can be used to tarnish reputations, manipulate public opinion, and even to commit fraud. The potential of deepfake videos is vast, both for good and for ill. It's a fine line between incredible innovation and dangerous deception. The key is to tread carefully, ensuring that this technology serves us rather than the other way around. As we stand on the brink of a new era shaped by deepfake videos, we must ponder, how will they impact our future? The previous scenes painted a vivid picture of the potential advantages and risks that deepfakes hold. The ability to recreate reality can serve as a powerful tool for creativity and entertainment, but also as a weapon for misinformation and deception. It's a double-edged sword, and our future with deepfakes largely depends on how we wield it. In this deepfake-dominated era, awareness, digital literacy, and responsible use of technology are critical. We need to foster a society that can discern the real from the fabricated, a society that will not fall prey to the pitfalls of deepfakes. Moreover, we must develop and implement measures to combat the negative impacts of deepfakes. This could involve creating sophisticated detection tools, enforcing stricter regulations, or educating the public about the nuances of deepfakes. In this rapidly evolving digital landscape, deepfakes present a profound challenge and opportunity. The question remains, are we ready for this new reality?